It's a brand new home. Do you think we could afford this?
Well, let's take a look inside.
Wow.
It's this huge open concept with 9-foot ceilings.
How big is this place?
It has 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms and 2,100 square feet.
Wow.
We could definitely host the holidays in a place like this.
Well, what do you think?
I really love it.
But a home with all these features, how can we afford it?
It's definitely in your price range. It's more affordable because it's manufactured off-site.
But this doesn't look like a manufactured home.
It looks like the house my friend just built.
It's built in a Champion Homes off-site controlled environment and features today's leading quality materials, which lowers costs for you and it's energy efficient. It's really a smarter way to build.
This home's great, but we need one more bedroom. How fast can you get that built?
Champion Homes builds the home to fit your needs, so we can add that bedroom and get you a home much faster than site build.
So I think we can do this.
I think we can too.